Santa here for American Steel. And why is Santa here in Joshua, Texas? Because American Steel is on the good list this year. Now, the reason we're on the good list is because we offer certified steel buildings across the United States in several of your states. This building today in Joshua, Texas is a 26x30x10 horizontal building. This here is a pewter gray color with not two, but three, and I repeat three, 10x9 roll-up doors with the automatic door opener so Santa can pop that sleigh in there automatically and hide from your kiddos. Now, this does come with the A-frame vertical roof to make sure you keep that snow off, because you know in the North Pole, we're used to that heavy snow, 10, 20, 30 feet. But we took care of you with the A-frame vertical roof. Now, on all our buildings, again, flush surfaces here. We like a good clean look. As you can tell, the doors here fit perfectly on the concrete, as we did a great job at that. Also got our header seals to cover the gap here. And then again, always go heavy duty doors. Beautiful option to it, which is on the side right over here. But we want you to know, when it comes down to perfection, we're your people. Now this is where Santa comes to party. I get down to business in here, jiving all my toys up, getting them all ready for your kiddos. Inside here, as you can see, we got the automatic door opener, which is on the top up here. That'll connect to your roll-up door. You have safety features on both sides, being your little beam. And then you have a safety cord up there. These are available in two sizes, for 10x10 and low, 10x10 and high. On the other side, you also have two more of them. This customer went with full throttle openers. We're ready to party. In, up and down, up and down. Okay, so inside here, you got your knee braces that come on all of our buildings. That's gonna be from the truss to the leg here. Now, a few demonstrations here, a little idea how it works. Got your base well, you got your truss, got your knee brace. On top here, we got a double truss system because of the width of the unit. Again, when you come to American Steel, we want you to feel safe in your building with you and your items. All right, Santa's getting a little warm in here, so we're gonna head outside back to the chilly temperatures that we have here in Joshua, Texas. Let's roll. All right, so once again, we brought you another beautiful building by American Steel Carports. Santa Brandon here with that good list, and only the good list, because that's how we roll. Happy holidays from American Steel Carports. Have yourself a beautiful new year. Thank you.